Welcome to EMS. Today in this video we will solve a word problem. This problem belongs to a set math problem. This problem is too complicated but tricky. How can we solve this question? Let's begin our video. So our given question is a high school musical production sells student tickets for $5 each and adult tickets for $8 each. If the ratio of adult to student ticket purchase is 3:1, what is the average income per ticket sold? Here is the 5 options. So we can see that student ticket price is equal to $5, right? And adult ticket price is $8. Right? Ratio between the ticket price. It means that the ratio between the tickets of student and adult is 3:1. It means that 3 part is for adult and 1 part is for student price. So the total number of tickets will be 4. Why 3 plus 1 will be equal to 4. Now, total amount of student ticket, how much? It will be 1 into 5. Why? Because student ticket price is 5 and number of tickets for the student is 1. When we multiply with this 1 with this 5, we will get $5. Okay. Now the total amount of the adult ticket is 24. How? 3 is the number of tickets for the adult. It will get from the ratio, and the price of the adult ticket is $8. When we multiply both these values, we will get $24. Now, total amount of the ticket, it will be equal to 29. How? We will add both this value, 5 plus 24. 5 is for students and 24 value is for adult tickets. So when we add with both these prices, we will get $29. Now, our question is, what is the average per ticket sold? It means that our targeted value is finding the average income per ticket, and we know very well average is equal to total amount of ticket, which is equal to 29, and total number of ticket, which is equal to 4. So what we will get when we multiply this 29 upon 4, we will get $7.25. It means that the average income per ticket sold is equal to $7.25. So it is the answer for this question. You can see that this question is little bit complicated but tricky. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.